How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'll be taking a quick glance at 5.0 Resto's overflow tanks and how you go about installing one into your 1986 to 1993 Fox Body. All right, guys, these overflow tanks from industry leader 5.0 Resto is the perfect fix for a leaking or dirty factory overflow tank. Each tank will feature OE-like plastic construction, mimic the same color as the original, and both tanks currently include the coolant tube. Two different variations are currently available, in that one will be for the 1986 to 1993 cars that did not have the low coolant sensor, and of course 87 to 93 cars that did come equipped from the factory with the low coolant sensor. Before you begin, make sure the vehicle hasn't been running and is cool to the touch. To remove the tank, pop the hood. If your car has the low coolant sensor, unplug the electrical connection and remove the sensor from the tank. Loosen and remove the two 8mm bolts securing the tank to the fan shroud. Now, this car had a small clamp securing the hose to the small nipple on the radiator. Factory setups did not have a clamp, so all you have to do is simply remove the hose from the nipple on the radiator. Now you can pull up on the tank to remove it from the car. At this time, remove and transfer the cap if your car does not have the low coolant sensor. Position the tabs on the tank with the openings in the fan shroud. Reinstall and carefully tighten the two bolts. Slide the small coolant tube over the nipple on the radiator. Fill the overflow tank with fresh coolant until it reaches the line indicated full cold. For cars with the low coolant sensor, install the sensor into the tank and rotate clockwise until the cap touches the small vent tube. Reconnect the electrical connection, and you're all finished. Overall here, guys, these overflow tanks are a great low-cost restoration item for the 1986 to 1993 Fox Body Mustang. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.